Hello everyone, today we are very excited to announce that we are starting something very new here at Little Box headquarters. It's a new series called Fit Check 101. This is a series where we'll be styling our different outfits on different models and we'll just see how it looks on different people. So let's get started and call today's models of the day. Oh wow! Wow, that looks very nice. Well, Shweta, can you just come in? We'll just check the outfits and judge the outfits.
Oh wow, these
Yeah,
girls
so
look gorgeous
nice.
today.
Yeah. I mean, it's so versatile, right?
Right.
I believe that this can be for brunch
Or a night out.
or night out.
Even for a meeting, I believe.
Yeah, if we pair it with maybe I don't know,
Some
like
nerdy
maybe some
specs
spec-
and-
yeah,
yeah.
exactly. Let's do a styling with the
some
belt.
styling, definitely. Oh, I'm excited for this. You girls look
Are you
gorgeous.
enjoying this?
Yes.
Are you comfortable in the fits?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
So will you wear it to like different occasion?
Of course.
Like what other occasions? Date night?
Yeah, date
Night
night.
nights? Yeah. Okay, fine. Let's style.
Let's start. Can I have the
Yeah.
belt, please?
The belt. I think on her belt will look.
Her?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just-
this is gorgeous.
I think the fabric is also very comfortable, right?
Yeah, it's like very stretchable and
Yeah, it
very-
fits the body like it
It
hugs
hugs
the
the
curve.
body.
Yeah, it hugs the curves very nice.
Right. Can we have a specs or like a scarf?
Specs, the nerd
Yeah,
look.
yeah.
Yeah.
How about this? Oh,
Oh, maybe also for like a if she is going out for some sunny Sunday evening kind of thing.
right. A scarf maybe on the neck? Can
Yeah,
you try that?
or maybe on the hair.
Yeah. Okay. Which one should we go for? Do you think?
I think this floral one because
Yeah.
it's like plain. So
Yeah. This will go. This will look amazing.
Yeah.
If enough on the neck, right?
Yes. But I think I did not do it very nicely. I think Shweta can do it better.
Yeah.
But I think this will go nicely. I'll just hold it.
Yeah. On your hair? Yeah. Can I have a rubber band as well? Maybe on top of the rubber band?
You can just type and check. But yes, this is one of our, this cord set is one of our best selling cord set and we have sold
It's
it
been
to
loved
many,
by
but
most
yeah,
of
loved by
our-
so many people and that's why we thought that we'll just try it out here in the studio and see how does it look. Do leave your comments and tell us that with like how you are going to style it and how or you would have already styled it. Nice for Sunday,
Yeah.
sunny Sunday kind of thing.
And maybe she can have a tote bag,
Yeah, absolutely.
right?
Absolutely. Well, guys, this is how we are going to do our Fit Check 101 in our office, in our headquarters here in Little Box, and we would like you to suggest us like which outfit next we should do it, and we'll just do it.
Why don't we try another of our best sellers?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
We have more.
Yeah.
Can we have the second outfit?
Yeah. Yes, please. It's like plain dress up.
Yeah, plain dress up.
So this has been selling for some time on our website now, and we love these prints. Many of you have already styled it very, very nicely, but we just thought that we also style it here. And absolutely love the fabric. I love how soft it is on your skin. Is it soft on your
Yes.
skin? Do you like it?
Yeah.
I mean, and I think both are very different kind of outfit,
Yeah.
but still goes for lots of occasion. Let's try to style it.
Right. Shall we get some pearls?
Pearl, yeah.
Okay, pearl.
Pearl and pink.
Okay. So it's like this outfit actually screams besties don't copy, they buy.
The twin me or something like that.
Besties don't copy, they buy.
Okay, alright.
That's a Gen Z terminology
Yeah.
we are not aware of. Like, yeah. This headband actually, this is cute.
No.
This is
Barbie kind of.
Barbie kind of. How about this?
This is giving too much. I
Too
think.
much.
You can just let it be.
Yeah.
Let dress just be the hero
Right.
of the complete, and maybe you can
And
carry
this-
a
yeah,
nice clutch.
Subtle color for a brunch. Right?
So guys, yeah, let us know how did you style it or how you're going to style it, and we absolutely love these dresses, both the dresses, the print, the color, And like I said, that it's very soft on your skin as well. But yes, do write on comments that how you will style it.
So now we have our last favorite top of the day. Shall we?
Yeah. Let's get started. Drum roll. And
Shall
our
we
third
have our
outfit. Yeah, yes.
last outfit of the day? Oh, very chic and
Very formal.
very professional and chic.
Plus college
Right.
wear as well.
Right.
I think to office, to college, we can just
I
Just
love
slip in
how there's the
the lace.
collar and the lace.
lace, yeah.
Lace with the collar. That's the X factor, I think. The lace on the hands as well.
This can go with skirts also.
Yes.
Right?
Like
White skirt maybe.
Stripes are timeless.
This is also one of our bestseller, and we have seen a lot of people styling it. The fabric is also very cool. It's a little thicker, not thicker. It's like it has a mix of cotton, and it's comfortable to wear like for a whole day when you go to your office or college. You tell like, do you like it on your skin? Oh, it's comfortable. And the lace detailing is huge. So yes, guys, I mean, I think you can just let us know how you will style it or how you would have styled it, and
Also, your favorite outfit of the
yeah,
day.
the favorite one from the last two outfits and this one. And also let us know that which other outfits on our website you would like us to, try it out like this and bring it on Fit Check 101. Thanks guys,
Thank
thanks for
you.
watching, and thank you to both of you.
Thank you.